built this shit. Me. Brick by brick. And I'll be damned if I let you tear it down just cause you don't like the way another nigga talk.
Yo, what up assassins, back with another video. In this video we're gonna be doing another video using the AK-117, and you know we'll be grinding it. I got this build that will literally tear down the chopper gunner. If you're asking why I'm grinding the AK-47, it's because we're getting this new free legendary AK-47 ICBR rifle, and we already see how it looks like. The iron sight has already been changed, and we can also see the death effect. This is the build I'm gonna be using today. I am hoping to get this to diamond soon, pretty soon. It will take me like 3 days. In the new season, you can exchange shards for legendary and mythic, so get the M4 shards. And don't keep these crates because they will be removed for new crates in season 5. In the new season, they will make newer crates. I also got everything. It's not impossible to get everything even in the new season. I do play free for all shipment to get the game fast and get it diamond soon, but now I'm gonna be playing it on hardpoint just to show y'all.
Tra-la-la, shock with blue shoes, slides through the sea like he's got nothing to lose. Tung 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 sahur, puffing real slow, wooden and smooth, got that silent glow. Bombardino, crocodilo, engines roar, jet croc snapping through the ocean floor. Brr, brr, pat up him floating slow, cooler than ice, got nowhere to go. Fruli frula, flaps with speed, coffee bird buzzing like he just got freed. Spanero, Rogalubero, shades on tight, pigeon detective in the dead of night. Trippy chopper, whiskers twitch, shrimp cat sliding through seaweed rich. Burbaloni, lalaloni, chillin' round, coconut capybara rolling on the ground. Banana dog, dolphin need a splash with flair, banana fin flying through the salty air. Tra-la-lero, tra-la-la, leads the wave. Deep sea party, no need to behave. Tra-la-lero, tra-la-la, leads the wave. Deep sea party, no need to behave.